Chapter 7: Coastal Regions and Islands. Introduction to the chapter. India has a long coastline. All along this coastline, there lies a narrow strip of lowlands known as the coastal plains. The length of the coastal plains is about 6,000 kilometers and width varies from 50 kilometers in the south to 25 kilometers in the west. On the inner side of the coastal plains, a chain of low step-like hills called the Ghats are located. The peninsular plateau divides the coastal plains into two parts: the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains. It lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. They stretch from the Gulf of Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. These plains extend over Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala states. The average width of the plain is about 65 kilometers. They are divided into three parts. In Gujarat, the coastal plain is broader than in the south. Here, the plain is known as Kathiawar or the Gujarat coast. The Sabarmati, the Narmada and the Tapti rivers flow here. The Sabarmati discharges into the Gulf of Khambhat, while the Narmada and the Tapti flow into the Arabian Sea. Ahmedabad on the Sabarmati River is the largest cotton textile center in India. Kandala is a major port of this region. Khambhat is rich in petroleum resources. Crude oil is refined in the Koyali refinery. From the Gulf of Khambhat up to Goa, the plain is known as the Konkan coast. Here the plain becomes narrow due to the hills reaching up to the sea. Mumbai is the largest city and port of India located here. From Goa to Kanyakumari, the coastal strip is known as the Malabar coast. It is a fertile alluvial plain. Many lagoons and backwaters are found along the coast of Kerala. Kochi in Kerala is a big shipbuilding yard and an oil refinery. Kerala is known for fishing. The Eastern Coastal Plains. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. They begin from West Bengal in the north and stretch up to Kanyakumari. 1. Northern Circus. 2. Coromandel Coast. They are wider than the western coastal plains. They are divided into two parts. The northern part of the eastern coastal plains beyond the Krishna River is called the Northern Circus. This plain runs through the states of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh is the most important seaport of the coast of Northern Circus. It has a big shipbuilding yard, an oil refinery and a steel plant. Kakinada, Masulipatnam, Gopalpur, etc. are smaller ports. The Mahandi, Godavari and Krishna make large deltas in this plain. In the south of the Krishna River lies the Coromandel coast. Chennai is the most important port of the Coromandel coast. It is the third largest port and city of India. The Kaveri is the important river in this region. Cuddalore and Tuticorin are famous for pearl fishing. The islands. An island is a piece of land which is totally surrounded by water on all sides. Away from the coast, two large groups of islands are situated. These islands are a part of our country. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These islands consist of about 300 islands and situated in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are larger than those of the Arabian Sea Islands. These islands form a union territory. Indira Point, the southernmost point of the country, is located in the Nicobar Islands. These islands are thickly forested and mostly inhabited by Tiavan-Bils. Port Blair is the capital of these islands. The Lakshadweep Islands. This group of islands located in the Arabian Sea. These are around 36. These islands are very small in size. They form a union territory with Kavaratti as their capital. These beautiful islands are made up of corals. These are famous for tourism. Life in coastal plains. The two coastal plains cover some part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. The town of Puri is the site of Jagannath Temple. Its Rath Yatra, chariot festival, attracts thousands of people. Sun Temple at Konark is an excellent example of architecture. Rice is the main crop of Odisha. Oilseeds, pulses, jute, sugarcane and coconut are some of the other important crops. Odisha is rich in minerals. It is famous for its high plant at Rourkela. Chilka Lake is a greater attraction for tourists. Odia is the main language. Puducherry. It is a union territory and its capital is Effa Puducherry. Agriculture and fishing are the main occupations here. Rice, pulses, millets and ragi are grown here. Sugarcane, groundnut and cotton are the cash crops. It has a total of 4 districts. Earlier Puducherry was under the French. It was transferred to India in 1954 and it became a union territory in 1962. The Aurobindo Ashram in Puducherry is world famous. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and French are the main spoken languages here. Andhra Pradesh. Aurobindo Ashram. Its capital is Amravati. The rivers Godavari and the Krishna form their delta in this state. Vishakhapatnam is situated on the coast. It is an important seaport. It has an oil refinery and an iron and steel plant. Rice is the main crop here. Islands. There are 2 island groups in India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of about 572 islands in the Arabian Sea. Its capital is Port Blair. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point, which is in the Nicobar Island. One of the most famous and historic monuments is the cellular jail in which many Indian freedom fighters were kept during the freedom struggle of India. Rice, madge, pineapples, coconut, rubber and papaya are the main crops of these islands. Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu are the main spoken languages here. Lakshadweep. It is a group of 36 islands. Its capital is Kavaratti. Dairy farming, poultry farming and fishing are the main occupations here. Coconut is the main crop. Articles are made from coconut trees on a large scale. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Dadra and Nagar Haveli is a union territory. Dadra has 3 villages and Haveli has 69 villages. Its capital is Silvassa. Cellular Jail, Andaman. Most of the population consists of tribal people. Rice, ragi and pulses are the main crops. Daman and Diu. It is also a union territory. Its capital is Daman. It consists of only 2 districts. Daman and Diu. Agriculture and fishing are the main occupations. Wheat, rice, millets, pulses, beans and groundnut are the main crops. The Western Coastal Plains. It extends from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat up to Kanyakumari. Gujarat, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala are situated in this region. Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Ahmedabad is the largest city in Gujarat. Sabarmati Ashram of Gandhiji is located here. The main language is Gujarati but people also speak Hindi. The women wear saris and lehengas. The men wear churidar jacket with colorful turbans. Navratri is the main festival here but all other festivals are also celebrated. Garba is the folk dance of Gujarat. The main dishes are dhokla, bhakri and shrikhand. The important rivers in Gujarat are the Narmada, Tapi and Sabarmati. The climate is hot in summer and cold in winter. The soil is suitable for cotton in Gujarat because it is black soil. Rice, maj, groundnut, sugarcane and millets are other important crops grown here. It is one of the largest cotton textile centers in India. Other important industries are diamond cutting, glass, machine parts, etc. Dairy farming is an important industry. Anand, the home of Amul, produces milk and milk products that are used all over India. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. It is a union territory in India. The territory was constituted through the merger of the former territories of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Plans for the proposed merger were announced by the Government of India in July 2019. The territory is made of 4 separate geographical entities: Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Daman and Island of Diu. All 4 areas were formerly part of Portuguese India, with a joint capital at Panjim, Goa. Daman is its capital. Silvassa is the largest city. Agriculture and fishing are the main occupations. Wheat, rice, millets, pulses, beans and groundnut are the main crops. Some small-scale industries of toys, ready-made garments, wooden furniture, paperboard boxes and rubber components are located here. Gujarati is the main language here. Goa. It lies towards the south of Maharashtra. It is the smallest state in India. Its capital is Panji. Marmgaon is the biggest port of Goa. Fishing is an important occupation. Basilica of Born Jesus here. Rice, pulses, ragi, groundnut, maj and millets are important crops. Sugarcane, coconut, cashew nuts are the cash crops. Pineapple, mango and banana are important fruits here. Goa has many beautiful beaches. It has many beautiful churches. The Basilica of Bom Jesus, that has the remains of Saint Francis Xavier, is located in English and Konkani are the main languages here. The main festival is Christmas. Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is situated on the Konkan coast. It is the center of film industry. Mumbai has the biggest seaport in India. Mumbai is also a center of trade and commerce. The seabed of the Konkan coast has a very rich oil field called the Bombay High. Karnataka. It lies towards the south of Goa. Its capital is Bangalore, earlier called Bangalore. It is also known as the Garden City because it has many parks. Fishing and farming are the main occupations. Jowar, ragi, cotton, coffee, sugarcane and spices are the main crops. The main language is Kannada. People are fond of music and dance. Yakshagana is the traditional folk theatre of Karnataka. Kerala. It is located on the Malabar coast. It lies between the Anaimlai and Cardamom hills in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala is the state with highest literacy rate in India. Malayalam is the main language. Farming is the main occupation. Rice, tea, coffee, rubber, cardamom and other spices grow here. Onam is the most important festival of Kerala. Boat race is held on this occasion. Kathakali is the most popular dance.